Yeah, it's been really fascinating to watch the change in the buyer profile just in the last couple of months. We've got publicly traded companies that are never been involved in e-commerce before, interested in getting involved. Trying to add an e-commerce based channel to their business lines because when the pandemic hit, everyone saw and
Yeah,
immediately ran to the
e-commerce is
internet.
looking good.
It it
You
it
know,
is it
the
is
way we're interacting, it's amazing. Yeah.
it is absolutely wild. So now there's this whole, there's a lot of really interesting new money to the game of e-commerce. So it is a fantastic time for sellers. It's absolutely a seller's market. For buyers, you got to get your ducks in a row. You need that opportunity fund, like you said. Get into as much cash as you can because as you can imagine, if you're the seller of a $2.2 million house and you get an offer for 1.5 cash and 1.5 it's contingent on financing, you take cash every day.
Right. And look, retirement plans take 30 years to work if they work at all. This is something that if you get into cash, you could have it work in 3 years. And it's unprecedented. I am a get rid of everything else and get into cash so you can capitalize type of thought process right now.
Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications about new videos and interviews. And introduce yourself in the comments. Are you a buyer or a seller?